Can you hear me, ma'am?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, that's mine.
Your voice is not audible.
Hello.
Actually, there's like that the steering wheel.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Hello.
Yes, Kunal. Here you can see that this is state by state, this is city by city. That is okay. But here you are taking the same thing, right? These two graphs are almost same, isn't it? And here you can see the graph somewhat changed. Everywhere you are taking state by state. City is not there, na? Only 3 state by state is graph is required and 3 city by city graph. Here you have taken 5 state by state graph and 1 city by city. Is it clear, Kunal? You have to, you got my point, what I'm trying to say? Please correct it, okay?
That way you are saying it, okay.
Please take city also corresponding to 3 different Excel sheet. Okay? Yeah, who was
Hello.
next? Yes?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I've sent you the link. Can you please have a look at it?
Shashank. In chat box you have sent it.
Your chat box also and on your mail also.
Okay. You have
Open the
made the
drive link.
PDX file also?
No, ma'am. I only send the PDF file so that you can just have a look at it, and I will send update the PBX file afterwards.
Okay, you please update your PDF PBX file in the same link. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, regarding top consumer cities in toys. Top consumer state in toys. Kunal, for toys only you have taken everything. There were 3 sheets. Mobiles, online, I mean online classes, some those things were there. Have you taken only for toys? Sorry, Shashank. Shashank? He left the meeting. Shashank Upadhyay.
No, ma'am, I only worked on the first, the toys one, and I was working on mobile and online classes.
Okay.
I thought I should just ask you first.
Shashank, see, this one is okay, right? This one is okay, but better you go with.
Ma'am, this is not mine. This is not mine. This is someone
Oh,
else.
sorry. Okay, sorry.
This is mine. Investigate each task count of state by the state, specifically city by city.
See, you have taken top consumer cities in toys and top consumer state. That is okay for an Excel sheet. Many times you need not to repeat it. Here the same thing is repeated, na?
Thought no ma'am, I thought I should
Here
take
you
one
can take
bar
a
chart and another pie chart
here
also. So
you
that
take bar chart over here and pie chart over here.
cities is on left and the states are on right side.
Yeah, you can take any graph, no problem with that. Only the thing is that you should become familiar about it.
Okay ma'am, okay. I will update you with the other two.
Yes, yes. Hello?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Oh. Yes. Yeah. Anyone want to ask something? Actually,
Yeah, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Me.
I have to conduct a few interviews. Yeah. What you wanted to ask?
Ma'am, me, I have submitted task 3. Can you check?
Okay.
Zuhad.
Okay. Zuhad,
On
you
your personal,
submitted it on which date?
personal,
On which
today,
date?
today.
Today. Official
Today,
mail
today.
ID or
No,
personal?
personal. Yeah, personal.
Okay.
Did you get it, ma'am?
Yes, yes. It's
Okay.
taking time to load.
Okay.
Zuhad, actually, you have to find
Yeah.
the orders which are having these problems. These 4 things.
What?
You have to find out the order numbers which are actually coming under these 4 conditions. Here you have done in a different manner. Right? You have to
Okay.
extract the order numbers in the form of graph. Here we are collectively seeing things, no? But as a, if we want to find out something, we should understand that which orders are coming under suspicious category, right? So in this task, order numbers are not mentioned in any of those 4 conditions. So you please check out that thing. Okay. You please upload in the same link if possible.
All right.
Okay. Anyone else?
Hello, ma'am.
We need order numbers, huh?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have submitted task 4.
Task 4. Vijaya, okay. Vijaya, you have sent it on which time or date?
Ma'am, I have today, ma'am.
Today. It's in my official mail ID.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not there, Vijaya.
Ma'am, I have submitted
I can show you. Wait.
in same link, ma'am,
Okay, you have already shown it to me.
which you are noted, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Which task, Vijaya? Second task.
Task 4, ma'am.
Task 4. On which date you have? I mean, in my inbox. This is my today's inbox.
19th. I submitted today, ma'am.
Here also it is not there. It's not there, Vijaya. You can see.
Ma'am, I have submitted in same link, ma'am.
Okay. Can you please send me the link in chat box? Send me the link of task 3 also.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell like what I'm supposed to do? I have to put the order number there, order ID.
Order number should come over. Yeah, order ID, whatever it is, which will give us an idea that which order is having an issue.
Okay, so which, okay.
Order hash, that particular column, no?
Yeah.
This column, this first column. That particular number should come corresponding to these problems and all.
Okay. I'll check it out.
Yeah, anyone else want to say something? Actually, time is only 4 minutes are left. Shyam Nandan, what do you want to say?
I have sent task 2 and
Okay. On which mail ID?
the personal mail ID.
Okay. On which date, Shyam?
Right now.
Right now. Okay. Yes, got it. Third task, Shyam? Task 3, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, task 2. I've completed task 2 and I'm on task 3, working on task 3.
Okay. This is regarding Diwali sales, Shyam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Shyam.
Ma'am, I have created.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
it's good.
I've created a page in the PDF. You got 2 pages. One is how it looks like in starting, and when you got when you use filter and select anyone, all details about this phone.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Vijaya,
I have submitted, ma'am.
personal mail ID.
Personal, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Vijaya, I got it. Task 4, Vijaya. Vijaya, you have submitted
Yes,
all your
ma'am.
PDF file. Where is the PBIX file? Please upload that too,
Okay, ma'am.
because both are required. That's why.
Okay, ma'am. I will.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what else I can do with this data?
Yes, who was asking? Shyam.
Yes, ma'am.
I have seen your data set only. You are working on task 3, right?
Yes, I have sent you the PDF of task 3 also.
Okay. Please try to include some visual charts also, showing different features and all.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
And what
have
about
you noted
what
me?
about the visual?
Yeah. Vijaya, here you have done only 5 subtasks, right? 8 subtasks were there.
What, ma'am?
You have done only 5 subtasks.
Yes, ma'am.
Total 8 subtasks were there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Top consumer, state, city.
Working on it.
Yeah. You please, after completing, you please update me, okay? Right now I am noting it. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to wind up the meeting. It's too late. Okay. All of you, bye.